Lovebirds Candice Brown and Nicky Mercer are spotted having a ball on a sun-soaked romantic break in Cancun, Mexico. The Bake Off star and her rugby player beau were spotted locking lips while playing catch in the stunning turquoise ocean at a luxury resort this weekend. 5. Candice Brown looked like she was having a ball on a sun-soaked romantic break in Cancun, MexicoCredit, splash. 5. Candice was frolicking in the sea with new boyfriend rugby player Nicky MercerCredit, splash. Former gym teacher Candice, 37, showed off her figure in a bright pink frilly bikini while hunk Nicky flashed his abs in a pair of black swim shorts and looked like he had caught a bit too much of the baking hot sun on his back. After frolicking on the beach, the besotted couple shared a quick kiss before heading back inside their luxury resort to relax. The baker's new romance comes after she opened up about suffering the worst year of her life in 2021 following her split from husband Liam. The television personality said she doesn't know how she is still going as she spoke about her mental health struggles at the time. It was revealed that Candice and her tree surgeon ex Liam had decided to separate after less than 2 years of marriage in July 2020. 5. Former gym teacher Candice, 37, showed off her figure in a bright pink frilly bikini. Credit, splash. 5. In July 2020 it was revealed that Candice and her tree surgeon husband Liam had decided to separate after less than 2 years of marriage. Credit, PA, Press Association. 5. Candice recently opened up about her mental health struggles, saying she doesn't know how she is still going.